Right, well, I'm out for a little bit of a walk with, we'll be joining the current Mrs. Little and young Dottie, possibly heading up to the Treble House, which is a bit of a long walk. And if anybody has, if any of you have noticed my attempts at weight loss, I simply couldn't have walked that kind of distance 6 months ago or so. So, of course, with all the comments I get on YouTube about me being so fat and too heavy for any little bikes that I happen to be riding, especially the Meteor, which just wouldn't go beyond 53 miles an hour with me on it. Anyway, let's see how this goes. There they are, waiting for me, patiently, under the conker tree. It's always so excited to see me, aren't you?
You're in the middle of the road.
Hey, you're always
Robert,
excited.
you're still in the middle of the road.
The llamas. Hello. How are you then? We're going on the new bit now, the middle bit that's just been relayed. It's taken a few months, having been ruined by cyclists a couple of times who broke down the fences to get in. Bloody cyclists. It's actually quite cold this morning. Nippy hands. 9 degrees apparently. Oh, we know who this is. We can tell. She goes. Where is she? Here she comes. Rose hips. And the call of a buzzard. Right. Little Dot is on the lead because we've got a busy road. In fact, more than a busy road. It's a terrible road, really, very dangerous. This bit has also been resurfaced. It's a brilliant job they've made, actually. Anybody on a disabled scooter or something can come up through here and come for a coffee, as we're going to do, at the Treble House. If they're open. I don't think they are. Are they? They open in 10 minutes. So I'm going to go in the back here and sit down. I can smell the Sunday lunch cooking, actually. Just looked at the weather app and it doesn't look good. So we're going home without coffee. Won't we, little Dot? Because Mrs. Little doesn't want to get wet again. It was a week ago that I got soaked. This will be me in a month or so, running. You won't be able to moan about me then. Mrs. Little says she's just felt a drop of rain. It's going to mess her hair up, and mine. You're not worried about mine? Certainly concerned about my hair. This line of tank defences across the country was designed to keep the Hun out of England. My goodness, how fearsome would that be? So, being of a certain age, I trundle along on my walk and forgot all about the fact that I was supposed to be making a little video. So it came to an abrupt end. You never know, that might happen to me one day if I start running. Thank you for watching, and for your forbearance.